Encouraging the startup entrepreneurship of the state, the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India, organised a national SC/ST hub mega conclave in the city. The aim of the conclave is to spread awareness of the NSSH scheme and other schemes of the ministry. Addressing the occasion, Chairman of Meghalaya Industries Development Corporation, James P.K. Sangma, highlighted the pivotal role of the conclave in nurturing the entrepreneurial spirit within the SC/ST communities of Meghalaya and beyond. Sharing their journey, an entrepreneur, Kinjai R. Mautho, owner of Tirupa Sunrise Production, Mali, Shillong, shared that in the beginning they started with the liquid soap hand wash and gradually they went on with manufacturing solid soap that they used with natural oil.
That we are, as MIDC, as the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, we are undertaking this exercise to bring about more financial literacy right down to the grassroots, right down to the village levels, where we will be not expecting people to come forward, but on the contrary, we will be reaching out to our entrepreneurs, to young budding individuals who want to partake in the economy. So let's work together is what I would like to say today, to build an inclusive economic landscape where the SC/ST entrepreneurs are not just participants, not just job seekers, but job creators, but also the leading contributors to our nation's prosperity.
Yeah, this is Kinjai Mautho. This unit we have started in 2014. From the CIC, I received the scheme. When I started, I got the PMEGP loan from them, and then gradually I participated in competition and I won the E-Championship Challenge, the Chief Minister Award in 2018. So from there also I got support to procure machineries. So that was all the support, and yes, of course, they help us with the exhibition to display our products and all like that, sir.